up, everybody? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pup. We always bring you the best stuff, most definitely. Well, today I'm not cooking, but I do want to mention there's a Hero sandwich company, and to me, they make the best Heroes on this planet. I love their sandwiches. You can get them in minis, regular, or as you can see here, you can get them giant. All right, you can get them with extra meat, extra cheese. It's not like the mother sandwich stores where they give you a little bit of meat and everything else. No, but they have so many selections of the sandwiches itself. I have it on my tablet. Try to get a little closer here of what you can get here. All right, and you can get them. These are cold sandwiches here. Then they have the hot sandwiches, and then they have the side and drinks. They're a little pricey, but you cannot miss on this. This is a home run. But let me open one up so I can give you an idea what they look like. All right. All right, this is the ham and provolone with extra cheese and extra meat. All right. Well, with these, and this one is going to be turkey. These sandwiches, fresh bread, soft, very delicious, very buttery, and this is turkey, basically the same thing, but with turkey. All right, these sandwiches will last me at least 2 days. All right, maybe possibly 3 days. But the take on them is just, and they come with everything. I took some stuff off, such as oil and vinegar and oregano, and there's some other stuff that I did take off, oils, because I didn't want that. I'm just easy. Mayonnaise, salt, a little salt, and that's about it with the seasoning itself. And it's real meat. It's actually real meat. It's really, really good. All right. So I just want to say my daughter just went out and picked these up for me. All right. I ordered them online. They have the online app, and if you do order online, you get points. And you can actually get sandwiches with your points. All right. So this is the ham. All right. Just be advised, Jersey Mike's is not paying me for this. I bought these sandwiches myself because I love the sandwiches. All right. And this is the turkey. Now, look at these sandwiches. They are beautiful. I mean, beautiful sandwiches. Beautiful and delicious. All right? Beautiful and delicious. And once again, real meat. This is not a company that serves you imitation meat. What do you call it? Like a tuna fish byproduct. No, like some companies do. All right? So you just got to be careful where you buy your sandwiches from. But this company is, I love it. I love it. I mean, like I said, they're a little pricey. But it's well worth it. It's definitely well worth it. All right. If you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, I would appreciate it. And y'all guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.